This is the automation zone. In today's tutorial, we will be looking at a question which is your init.py file actually required to convert a folder into a package? At the same time, we will also discuss what is your namespace package and your regular package. To answer your question, let us open PyCharm and a project here. Now, in this project, I have a file called as imports. I also have a package by the name of my package. It has a file called as file2. Okay, so let me go ahead and import my package, and from that let me import the file2. Let me go ahead and run file2. So run the functions in file2. Okay, remember here I do not have any init file here, but it works. So that will answer your first question, that is your underscore init.py file is not required. Okay, there's also a clause here. This is applicable only for people who are using Python version 3.3 and above. Any person who is using Python 3.3 and below, below Python 3.3 will require init.py file, okay, in all the folders where he needs to use a folder as a package. In short, these commands are not going to work. Okay, that said, in Python 3.3 and above, is init.py file completely useless? Not exactly true. There are many uses, along with one very important use, that is they are going to decide if a particular folder behaves as a namespace or has a regular package. Okay, now if your folder does not have init.py from version 3.3 and above, it is your namespace package. What does that mean? Okay, it means this. Now here I have a package by the name of my package, right? What if there was one more folder with the exact same name? Now remember one thing is when you do an import, it checks for your current working directory. So your current working directory as well as your path. Okay, now in this case, let me import OS here and let me print my path, which is print os.path. The path over here on my computer is set to Python, right? So what if I had a folder by the name of my package in my path which is Python as well? Let's do that. I've already created a sample one right here. Let me cut this and paste it in Python. So if you see here, my package and my package, the names are exactly same. This is present in my current working folder and this is present in the path. Inside this I have a file called as file1 and inside this I have a file called as file2. Now, so this is the amazing thing about Python. Now I can do from my package import. Now see your IntelliSense is not going to work here because I have just added this. Okay, so I need to close not Eclipse, I have to close PyCharm, refresh it and then open it, and then IntelliSense will work. But for now, let us just do this file1 and it's going to work. Okay, if I do file1 dot function1 and if I run it, if you see that I'm able to import, okay, files not from one folder. So this particular my package is not it's not specific to a folder or to a path. So what Python does is when you do from my package, okay, as long as it does not have any init file, as long as it is there in your either in your current directory or in your path, it is going to combine all of it together. So when you say my package, it is not exactly a path, but it is a combination of paths. And then from this combination of paths, I can import all files, whether they are present here or whether they are present in my path. Okay, now what is this init file? Let's do this. The moment I put init file right here, so let me make a Python file init.py. Okay, so now I have made an init file in my current working directory. Okay, let me close this. If you see here, it is throwing me an error. Now file1 is present in my path. Okay, then why is it throwing an error? the moment you make init file, okay, that particular package becomes a regular package, and that package will become your default package. So your Python will only consider this package, but it will not consider this package right here. Hence file 1 cannot be found. At the same time, if I were to copy this init file and paste it here, okay, and I would delete it from here, what will happen is Python would not consider this package, because since init file is present in this particular folder right here, which is present in my path, this becomes my main package, and file 1 only can be seen and file 2 cannot be seen. So this is the difference between your namespace, which is basically a combination of all packages, versus your regular package. Namespace can easily be done if you do not include an init file from version 3.3 and above. It can also be implemented in the previous versions, but by implementing a particular code. Okay, and a regular package can be implemented in your version 3.3 and above simply by placing the init file in that particular package. Okay, I've said a whole lot of packages. If you have any questions, do comment below. If you like this tutorial, do subscribe. Thank you.